Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply the geometric laser effect in the CapCut mobile. So here I've already add a video to my CapCut app, and just go to effect, click on the body effect. Here you can find it on trending, or this one geometric laser, or if you can't find it, you can just scroll down or swipe and find the glowing lines category here. Then click on the geometric laser effect. Here you can always adjust the effect more. You can adjust the speed, vertical, size, and also the color. If you're done, just click on the check icon, and if you want to apply it to the entire clip, just drag it like this, and this will be the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.